Your front door is one of the first things guests and potential buyers notice about your home. Not only does it contribute to curb appeal, but it also plays a crucial role in security, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Over time, doors can wear out, becoming less functional and even compromising your home's safety. If you're wondering whether it's time to replace your door, here are the top signs you need a new door installation in your Bel Air home. Your door is difficult to open or close. A properly functioning door should open and close smoothly without resistance. If you're struggling to push, pull, or lock it, there may be an issue with swelling or warping due to moisture exposure, hinges that are rusted or misaligned, foundation shifts that have altered the door frame. Ignoring this problem can lead to security concerns and further structural damage. A new door installation will ensure a snug, secure fit and restore smooth operation. There are visible cracks or damage. Over time, doors can crack, chip, or show other signs of wear due to weather exposure, accidents, or general aging. Wooden doors may develop cracks or splintering. Metal doors can rust or dent over time. Glass panel doors may show cracks, reducing their safety. Not only do damaged doors look unappealing, but they can also compromise insulation and security. If your door is significantly worn, it's time for a replacement to enhance durability and aesthetics. You feel drafts or temperature changes? Do you notice cold air seeping in during winter or hot air sneaking in during summer? If so, your door may be failing to insulate your home properly. Gaps between the door and frame can allow drafts inside. Old weather stripping may no longer be effective. Poor door material or insulation could be causing energy loss. Replacing your door with a new, energy-efficient model can help lower your energy bills while keeping your Bel Air home comfortable year-round. There's water damage or rot. Bel Air experiences humid summers and rainy seasons, which can take a toll on doors, especially wooden ones. Signs of moisture damage include warping or swelling that prevents the door from closing properly, soft, spongy areas indicating rot, peeling paint or water stains along the bottom edge. A rotting or water-damaged door is a serious issue, as it can lead to mold growth and structural weaknesses. Upgrading to a weather-resistant material such as fiberglass or steel can help prevent future damage. Your door is no longer secure. Your door should serve as a strong barrier between your home and the outside world. If it feels weak, doesn't lock properly, or shows signs of forced entry, it's time for a replacement. Worn-out locks or latches may no longer function correctly. Hollow core doors are more vulnerable to break-ins. Loose or warped frames can weaken security. Upgrading to a solid wood, steel, or fiberglass door with a reinforced locking system can boost your home's security and give you peace of mind. Excessive outside noise is entering your home. If you can clearly hear traffic, loud neighbors, or barking dogs from inside your home, your door may be lacking proper insulation. Older doors with thin materials don't block noise effectively. Gaps and cracks around the frame allow sound to travel through. Low-quality glass panels may amplify noise instead of reducing it. A new, soundproof door with solid core construction can help create a quieter, more peaceful living space. Your home's curb appeal is suffering. Your front door is a focal point of your home's exterior. If it looks faded, outdated, or worn out, it can negatively impact your home's overall appearance. Faded or peeling paint makes your home look neglected. An outdated style may not match modern home aesthetics. Visible dents or scratches can reduce resale value. A stylish, updated door can enhance your home's curb appeal, make a great first impression, and even increase property value if you plan to sell. Your door no longer matches your home's style. If you've renovated or repainted your home but haven't updated the door, it might stand out for the wrong reasons. A mismatched door can make your home look inconsistent and outdated. A modern glass or steel door pairs well with contemporary homes. A classic wood or craftsman-style door complements traditional architecture. A boldly colored front door can make a statement and boost curb appeal. By installing a door that matches your home's design, you can create a cohesive, stylish look that enhances your property. Upgrade your Bel Air home with a new door installation. And if you're experiencing any of these signs, it's time to consider a new door installation. A high-quality, professionally installed door improves security, energy efficiency, aesthetics, and overall home value. Enhanced curb appeal that makes your home stand out. Lower energy bills with better insulation. Improved home security for peace of mind. A durable, long-lasting investment for years to come. Ready to upgrade your home's entrance? Contact a trusted door installation expert in Bel Air today and find the perfect door for your home.